Good everyone, you're watching Rate Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to merge multiple Word documents into one. Now, if you have to combine separate Microsoft Word documents, you can copy and paste them together if they are short, or if they are too long, you can use the merge option. Now, for the demonstration, I'm going to merge these three documents into one Word document. So to do this, I will have to open Word on your computer. Once you have the Word open the blank document, and this is where I'm going to merge these three documents into one file. So I'm going to click on Insert and then click on Object. From the drop down list, use the option which says Text from File and navigate to the location where you have your documents saved. Now you can select all these files. Now the documents will be merged in the order in which they appear in the list. To use a different order, select and insert each file individually in the desired order. So since I want to merge all these three files or the three documents into one, I'm going to select everything. And this is the order which it would appear in the document. Click on Insert and I would have all the three documents merged into one document. Now, if you want to view the order, either you can scroll by each pages. So I have total 46 pages. And if you want to view the order, you can click on Thumbnail View, and this is how the document has been merged into one file. And this is where you can go ahead and make the changes in case if you want to delete anything, or if you want to make a modification or change the format, you can go ahead and change the format by going through each page. So this is how you can go ahead and merge a multiple document into one. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.